Imagine turning just $1,000 into millions without chasing risky stocks or crypto hype. Sounds impossible? Well, Warren Buffett did it, and today I'm revealing his top investing advice for 2025 that can make you a smarter investor. And trust me, tip number 3 is something even top investors ignore. Tip number 1, the golden rule of investing. Warren Buffett's first rule: never lose money. But wait, how do you actually do that in 2025? The secret is avoiding FOMO investing. The market will always have trends, crypto booms, meme stocks, but Buffett sticks to one strategy: invest in businesses, not hype. In 2024, Warren Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway, earns a jaw-dropping $776 million just from Coca-Cola dividends. And guess what? He drinks 5 cans a day. Buffett started investing in Coca-Cola back in 1988 when no one was paying attention. He didn't chase hype. He picked a business he understood. Year after year, his dividends kept growing, turning a simple investment into billions. So what's Buffett's secret? Find great companies, hold them forever, and let the dividends roll in. Simple, right? Tip number 2, be greedy when others are fearful. Here's where most people go wrong. They panic when the market crashes. But Buffett, he does the opposite. During every market crash, Buffett buys more instead of running away. Why? Because he knows the market always recovers. In 2025, with inflation and economic shifts, Buffett's advice is clear. Look for quality stocks that are undervalued. Tip number 3, the power of compound interest. Buffett's biggest secret. Buffett didn't get rich overnight. His biggest weapon? Compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from time in the market, not timing the market. A small investment today could be worth millions later. The key: start now. Small steps today equals big wealth tomorrow. Now here's the big question. If Warren Buffett was 25 today, where do you think he'd invest? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more investing wisdom, check out this video, hit that like and subscribe if you found this valuable.